Alright, for my flowchart, I'm not very creative, and yesterday I went to school dance, so how to get ready for a school dance in 8 steps. Here, we start at not ready, and first thing you do, choose an outfit. You gotta know what you're gonna put on. Like, that's probably what you're gonna spend most of your time doing. You gotta make sure you look good, I guess. After that's ready, you shower, get ready, put on the outfit, and then you gotta get parent approval. Personally, I gotta ask my mom, because if she don't approve, that shit stink. So, if no, we go back up here, choose another one. Second time, since you already showered, you don't gotta do all that. So you just go here, A, back here. This time, hopefully, yes. They say yes. You do some touch-ups, grooming, perfume. Just make sure you're not looking too shaggy, I guess. Then you gather your things. Gotta make sure you have everything handy. And then let's go. That's it.